If you've plugged a USB drive into your Ubuntu system and you need to completely wipe it, change the file system, or fix errors, formatting is the best way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to format a USB drive in Ubuntu 24.04 using the built-in tools that come with the operating system, no extra software, and no confusing steps. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to format a USB drive safely and choose the right file system for your needs. Feeling like a hacker? Let's use the terminal. This is fast, works on any Ubuntu system, and is essential knowledge if you're working with servers or scripts. Run this command so you know the USB you're working with and not format a wrong disk. Now, to format that single partition to FAT32, use this command. If you see this message, it means the drive is mounted. You need to unmount it, so run this command. Let us now format it. The USB drive is now formatted. The simplest method, which works perfectly for most users, is using the built-in Disks application. Open Files, which is Ubuntu's default file manager. On the left side, you'll see your USB drive listed under Devices. Ubuntu will ask for a volume name, which is simply the name of the USB drive that appears when you plug it in. You can name it anything you like. You can turn on the erase button if you want, but this takes time for the formatting to complete. Next, you'll choose the file system. If you want the USB drive to work on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, choose FAT. If you're using the USB drive only on Linux systems, ext4 is a good choice. For large files like videos bigger than 4 gigabytes, exFAT is the better option. Once everything looks good, click Next, then confirm by clicking Format. And that's how you can easily format a USB drive in Ubuntu 24.04 using built-in tools. No third-party apps, just simple and safe formatting. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Ubuntu and Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.